In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to install themelet assets. You'll notice on the Ultra Candy demo that the main body background has an image that repeats horizontally across the page. Though if we take a look at the default install of Ultra Candy, there's actually no background set on the body, only the color. And that's because the background images are installed separately from the themelet. And that's because they're kept separately, along with the logos and iPhone media. And we keep these separately and call them assets, and the reason for that is because there's no specific themelet that they work on. They're assets for your website rather than specific to your themelet. So often you could change your site but not change your logo, and often you can apply different backgrounds to different themelets. And within Configurator you'll see how the backgrounds can be customized and configured, and that'll make a little bit more sense as to why we've decided to keep them separate. At this stage the backgrounds only include the HTML and the body background that are kept separately in the assets, but we are looking at expanding upon this in the future. So if we log into Configurator and we go to the background settings under Customize, you'll notice that the body background is just saying use default, and there's no images at the moment. And that is why we need to go and upload the themelet assets. So just if you take a look at the Assets tab, you'll notice that there are no themelets and no assets in the Asset Manager. You could upload your own background if you prefer not to use the Stripe background that's in the Assets pack. You could upload your own over here, and then you could set that using the Customize options for the backgrounds. And over here we want to just click Upload Themelet Assets, and then you can actually install the file that you downloaded with the themelet with the asset files inside, and this would upload anything that's present, logos or backgrounds or the iPhone media, to the relevant folders and to the interface so that you could manage the various items. So now when the interface reloads, you'll notice that if we just come back to the Customize tab, we can see here that the body background is now loaded, and we also have a wide variety of other background images we can choose from. So leave that for now, and let's head over back to the Assets tab under Backgrounds, and now you can see all the different backgrounds that have been uploaded. So to go back to the Customize tab, you'll notice that the HTML background settings can also be chosen. Using both the HTML and the body backgrounds can allow you to get some slightly more advanced effects in terms of your page backgrounds. So over here you could change this to pattern 17, for example. Let's try that. Let's make that repeat both horizontally and vertically. And then if we save that and we come back and refresh, you can see the background has changed like that. And that's it for working with the themelet assets. Thanks for joining me.